Hello Esteban, my name is Eduardo from Boss Moto, representing a personal video for you for the 2011 Kia Soul for you. This vehicle is available at this time. Has 187,213 kilometers, and the price is 288 plus HST and licensing. And we're selling this vehicle as is. Inside of this vehicle, you do have power windows, power door locks, power mirrors. You have cruise control, multimedia. You could set up a phone. You have a sunroof, and it's available at this time. If you want me to secure this vehicle, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209, and I'm very happy to assist you on behalf of Boss Motor. Thank you for contacting us.